Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madalina and in today's video I have another DIY for you. So it's been the birthday of a friend and I have a chicken here and he made fun of my chicken, so I decided to make one for him, and I decided to make it a doorstop. So I put some rice in there to be heavy in case you want to make it as a doorstop. I saw this idea on Pinterest. Of course on Pinterest it looked way better than what I did or I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a really funny chicken and you can make this whatever shape you want, you can make it whatever color you want. And yeah, my chicken, I think it looks more like a duck than a chicken, but it doesn't matter. So if you're curious how I made that, continue watching. I bought some different fabrics that I want to use and I drew the shape of the body, head and legs by hand, so they are not 100% symmetrical. I will not bore you with the drawing because you can see the pencil on the fabric anyway, but practically draw the shape that you want on a fabric and cut 2 layers of everything and then sew everything together. This is the time when I screw up and make the tail feathers on the wrong side, and when I tried to turn it inside out it didn't work, of course. So I had to cut the stitches, turn the fabric inside out and do it all again. Now it's time to fill the beak with the stuff, but because it took longer to deliver it, I used the excess of material that I had. Later when the filling arrived I changed it. After I filled the beak, the red thing on top of the chicken's head and the head, I closed the opening and sew everything together. For the eyes, I forgot to buy white material, but I have a white sock that I used and I want to make this chicken look really derp, as you can see.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack it.
I finally received my filling and I ordered 1 kilogram because I need it for other stupid stuff that I will make, and this one was 12.50 euros. Now I will fill everything with stuffing and sew everything together. In the legs and the body of the chicken I put bags of rice to make it heavier. I used 400 grams for each leg and 1 kilogram and a bit for the body.
Stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
I made some stitches for the tail to stay up, as you can see here, and like I said earlier, I changed the filling and stitches for the beak. Okay, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about my chicken, which is really funny, I think. It was supposed to be a funny gift, so I think I managed to do that. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye!